Hello and welcome to our channel English with Ashish Kumar. Today we are going to learn about one of the very important thing of English, that is tense. Without proper grammar, without proper rules of grammar, you may not write correct English. You may also not read what is going on. You may not comprehend the texts. So, to understand the things, we need to learn tense accordingly. At first, I would like to tell you what is tense. Tense word comes from the Latin word tempus, which means time. So, is time and tense, or I should say, are time and tense both same thing? Or is there any difference between time and tense? We need to know it first. Followed by that, we'll move on to the basic structures and parts of tense, and then we'll move on to each and individual rules and regulation that can help you out to speak in English, to write good in English, and to comprehend the text easily so that you can achieve the desired target and desired goal. Let's have a differentiation first. What is difference between time and tense? At first, you need to know what is tense. The definition of tense. Tense is the study of the forms of verbs. Let me repeat it again. Tense is the study of the forms of verbs. Basically, we understand the verb forms in different tenses. Suppose if you are having present tense, there is a different form of verb there. If you are studying past tense, there is a different form of verb there. And at the same time, if you are studying future tense, there is a different verb form used there. But how come it is different from time? Since we know that tense has three parts, that is present tense, past tense, and future tense. So do as the time. Time has also three sections: present, past, and future. So how come it's completely different from time? Tense is different from time. So basically, time is a universal concept. What is universal concept? That can never be changed. We cannot take 1980s right over here. We cannot take 2050 right over here. It's a present and we cannot alter the time. So that's why we can say that time is a universal concept. And what is tense? Tense is a grammatical concept. Grammatical concept means rules. That is, abide by the rules, that is bound to follow some rules. We can change the rules easily because rules are made by us. So eventually there is major difference, and that is what I am going to tell you again. Tense is a grammatical concept and time is a universal concept.